So craziest thing just happened. We just got home from Philly. Derek was letting the dogs out back. Calls me, texts me and says, hey, I think we have a problem. Goes down to the hive that we just set up yesterday. It is swarming with bees. Mind you, we don't get our bees until tomorrow. So we called our bee expert because we are newbies at this, and we are under the impression that we caught a swarm of bees. So what was suggested was go ahead and mix up the sugar water as soon as we can, get it out there, feed the bees that are making a home in the hive we just set up so that we can keep them. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna suit up, get some sugar water down there and pop up in the hive and see what we see.
All right, so we're gonna create a fire in here in our smoker, and I'm gonna try to go and get these bees to calm down. We made up our sugar water. It's 1 cup sugar to 1 cup water.
Sugar water, shims that are holding it up, swarm that we believe we caught.
Yeah, we weren't planning on using this. Again, we were getting ready to get our bees yesterday, so
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We got the hive ready yesterday in anticipation of that, and this happened a little bit out of order, but we're going to see if we can keep this swarm, and then we're going to figure out what we're going to do about tomorrow.